So suppose you launched an application and initially a few users started using your application and they loved it. So naturally it became popular and more clients started using your application. But now the server which is hosting your application is getting overloaded with the requests. Now, what do I mean by a server getting overloaded? Or what do I mean by overloaded? Overloaded means that in order to serve the traffic, the server is either using too much RAM or is running out of processing power or storage space or all of the above. And because of this, your server is unable to handle the traffic. So it will start taking more time to respond to the requests, or sometimes it won't respond at all. So, what's the solution to this? Well, we can upgrade our server, which means that we can increase the RAM or use a faster RAM, and we can also replace the current processor with a better one. Like if you're currently using i3, you can upgrade it to i5 or i7. Okay? Basically, we can use better resources to increase the traffic handling capacity of our server. And this is what we call vertical scaling or scaling up. Okay? So yes, we can handle the increasing traffic by scaling the system vertically. But there are some problems with it. Firstly, you cannot vertically scale your system beyond a point because you cannot upgrade a server beyond a certain capacity. So, vertical scaling comes with an upper limit. Okay? Another problem is that vertically scaling the system will need a period of downtime. Of course, because when you will be applying the changes to your server, which means when you will be upgrading your server, it will not be available to take any requests. Okay? So now, what's the solution to these problems? Instead of upgrading a single server, what we can do is we can add more servers to our system to handle the increasing traffic. This is known as horizontal scaling or scaling out. Now, scaling out does not have an upper limit. You can expand the system indefinitely. Also, to scale your system horizontally, you won't need any downtime. A new machine can be brought online independent of the current infrastructure. Okay? So these are the advantages of horizontal scaling. But there are disadvantages too. Firstly, because you will be using additional servers, you would need to purchase additional licenses for operating system or any software that you may be using. The infrastructure and maintenance costs go up too. And you would also need to distribute the incoming traffic across the servers because you don't want to overload some servers with all the traffic. Okay? So, horizontal scaling comes with its own set of disadvantages. Don't think horizontal scaling is always a better choice. Okay?